What is up, gearheads, and welcome back to Maywheels, your ultimate stop for the most insane automotive concepts on the internet. Listen up, do not even think about skipping this video, because you will definitely want to stick around until the very end to hear the estimated price rate we have uncovered for today's beast. Seriously, hold your horses, lock in, and do not swipe away, because this one is going to blow your mind completely. Today we are talking about an absolute legend of the streets, a bike that literally redefined what a factory custom could look and feel like. We are diving deep into the evolution of the iconic Honda Fury, taking you on a ride from its legendary past, all the way into a mind-bending future. This machine has always been an absolute unit, and the journey from its old-school roots to what we are unveiling today is nothing short of epic. Let us take it back to the beginning, when the original Honda Fury first hit the pavement and absolutely disrupted the entire motorcycle scene. Back then, the chopper craze was mostly dominated by crazy expensive custom builds that spent more time in the shop than on the road. Honda rolled up, dropped the Fury, and instantly gave riders that stretched out aggressive custom look straight off the showroom floor. The older models were an absolute masterclass in motorcycle design, featuring that unmistakable high-mount steering head and a long, raked-out front end. It had this lean, mean, low-slung profile that made it look like it was doing 100 miles an hour. While just sitting on the kickstand, it was raw, it was beautiful, and it captured the essence of the classic American chopper vibe. Perfectly underneath all that gorgeous chrome and sweeping bodywork was a bulletproof 1312cc V-twin engine that delivered a serious punch. It had that deep, throaty rumble that riders absolutely crave, providing massive low-end torque for cruising down the highway. But the real kicker was that it possessed that legendary Honda reliability, meaning you could actually ride this chopper cross-country without worrying about breaking down over the years. The Honda Fury proved that it was not just a passing trend. Building a massive dedicated cult following worldwide, riders fell in love with how it rode, how it looked, and how easy it was to maintain compared to garage-built customs. It remained an incredible model, truly holding its own as a top-tier factory chopper for well over a decade. But as time marched on and the industry shifted towards high-tech, naked bikes and adventure motorcycles, the factory chopper segment started to quiet down. Fans of the Fury have been starving for a massive update, begging for something that respects the heritage, but brings the heat for the modern era. The demand for a fresh take on this iconic silhouette has never been higher in the riding community. That is exactly why your favorite channel, Maywheels, stepped up to the plate to bring you something truly exclusive and groundbreaking. Today we specialize in bringing you the most complete, detailed concepts of entirely new versions of your favorite rides. Today we are visually manifesting the future and showing you exactly what the next evolution of this legend should look like. Get ready to feast your eyes on the breathtaking 2026 Honda Fury concept, a machine that takes everything we loved about the original and turns the dial up to 11. Through these incredible concept pictures we are showing you, you can see how we have reimagined this beast for the modern streets. It is darker, it is edgier, and it drips with a futuristic swagger that is guaranteed to snap necks wherever it goes. This 2026 concept retains that legendary stretched wheelbase and raked front end, but the bodywork has been completely overhauled to be sharper and more aggressive. The tank features sculpted, muscular lines that flow seamlessly into a minimalist, low-profile solo seat, giving it a much more aggressive stance. We are talking blacked-out components, incredibly sleek LED lighting, and a digital dash seamlessly integrated into the bars. Imagine this absolute stunner, packing an even larger liquid-cooled V-twin engine, retuned to deliver earth-shattering torque. The moment you twist the throttle, the concept pictures show a massive dual-exhaust system that would undoubtedly produce a roaring soundtrack to match its menacing looks. It is the perfect blend of old-school, chopper attitude and cutting-edge 2026 performance technology.